Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of some Kiara Sky Dip Powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I was sent these Kiara Sky Dip Powders to do a review, so I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for you guys right here. So I chose these 3 dip powders, and the first one here, it's this black dip powder which is called Black to Black. Then we have Luna or Later, which is this beautiful pink nude dip powder. Then there's Gimme a Beat, which is this blue dip powder, which is very similar to a Tiffany blue dip powder. I also swatched the powders so that you can see if there was any difference when it's applied to the nail. And I'd also like to mention that this video is sponsored by We Thrift. This company publishes the latest discount and coupon codes for your favorite stores, which will in turn help you guys save some money. This is not a fake, it's real. I actually downloaded their app and I used it and it really works. Keep in mind, they have a lot of people going on their site to get coupons, so all of them wouldn't work for you. Since coupons can't work for everyone, then the companies wouldn't make their money. So if you want to be balling on a budget, save some coins, I'll have a link to their website, so go check it out for yourself, and seeing is believing. So let's get right into the video. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear acrylic powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then dip it into the clear acrylic powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear acrylic powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my nails from the color. This is an optional step, but I like doing it. So this design was inspired by a picture that I saw on Pinterest. So on my index finger, I apply base and dip it into the blue dip powder. It reached full opacity on the 2nd layer, but I did 3 layers. So when I was finished encapsulating and activating my nails, I realized I forgot to do my glitter ombre on my index finger. So I filed the cuticle area of the finger, and now I'm using my activator method to do my glitter ombre. So I apply some activator to a container and I'm using my Revel Opulent dip powder. So I take my acrylic brush and I dip it into the activator and then into the opulent glitter, and picked up a small bead and placed it on my nail to do my ombre. This is the usual way I did my ombre before. I haven't done this ombre in a while with solid colors, but that's how I used to do it. Solid colors are harder to do this type of ombre with. Anyway, now on the middle finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the pink dip powder. Now I apply base again, and then I'll be using the sprinkling method to do my ombre. So I'm just sprinkling the dip powder in the area where I want the powder to be. And when I was finished with this layer, I dusted off the excess and then applied base again. and started with the pink first and then the blue. I believe I did about 3 layers of the ombre. Yeah, this was my 3rd time doing this type of ombre. I actually did a 3-color ombre before this. I'll link it in the cards if it is uploaded already. But if it is not, it will be uploaded soon. I can't believe I didn't like this sprinkling method before, and now it's so great. I still have to practice because I'm not that good at it yet, but I'm doing okay for now. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Now on the ring finger I applied base and then I dipped it into the pink dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. On the pinky nail, I applied 1 layer of base and then I dipped it into the pink dip powder. Then I applied another layer of base and then I sprinkled the blue dip powder. Ensure to keep your finger facing downwards so that you would get that gradient effect. And then I sprinkled the pink dip powder on my nail. Then I did the same thing again, but I ensured to start with the pink dip powder first. I realized when I used the color closest to the cuticle first, I find that the ombre comes out way better as compared to starting on the tip first and then the cuticle. I don't know, for me it comes out way better. So that's why I like to end like that. Now on the thumb, I did a color block because it wouldn't be me if I didn't experiment, right? So yeah, I just applied base to the whole nail and then I angled my finger into the blue dip powder. And then I sprinkled the pink dip powder on my nail. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2. Then I encapsulated the nails with some Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did a few layers, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply the powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose gel top coat. Now using my Model 1's gel glue, I apply it to my ring finger because I'm going to be placing some of the caviar beads on that finger. So I apply the Model 1's glue gel or gel glue, and then I apply some of the Model 1's top coat. Then I place some rhinestones on my nails. Then I sprinkle the caviar beads on my nails as well. So in order to maintain the shape, you must remove the excess from the sides of the nail so that it would maintain the shape of the nail. And now I apply my Model 1's top coat to the rest of the nails, and I cured for 60 seconds. When the nails cool down, I apply my cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!